Welcome to Missologist. So now we are on to the Mike Myers, which is essentially a Blackberry Bramble, but I renamed it for Halloween because I'm obsessed with Halloween, and Halloween the movie is one of your quintessential Halloween movies. So of course, you should have a drink named after the most terrifying person ever, essentially. I did just have to look up the Halloween theme because I was confused. I just watched Freddy and Jason a few nights ago. So Mike Myers, he is terrifying because, he doesn't talk. He doesn't really do anything. He just stands there and then he kills people. I think he's actually kind of fascinating because, at least Jason has a backstory. His mother has a backstory. Most murderers and, scary, think Candyman, they have a backstory. Michael Myers does not have a backstory. He just killed. And I think that actually makes him creepier. What's your favorite Halloween movie? Because I think my favorite is the first one, but there's the newer ones. Halloween Kills is coming out very soon. I'm gonna see it because I see every horror movie that I can possibly see. So we're gonna put in an ounce of lemon juice. This will be my 5th video today, so I've tried all the drinks so far. Around this time is when, things start to get interesting. Okay, so this is blackberry mint syrup from Barmalade. In general, a Blackberry Bramble will have blackberry, usually mint, lemon juice, and gin, and then soda water. So it's very refreshing. I think it's a really good transition drink from summer to fall just because it's cold, but it's still, blackberries I really associate with summer, but then I think it's just a very good transition to the fall, essentially. So, alright, so we're putting an ounce of blackberry mint syrup in. Gin is our only liquor in this, so we're gonna put in 2 ounces of gin. And if you haven't seen the other videos, I'm using Boodles because I honestly prefer London Dry. I've had sloe gin. I do like sloe gin. I haven't really tried, Dutch gin. I haven't tried some of the other types of gin that are harder to find. I've tried modern gin, and by modern gin I mean Aviation. And honestly, I'm not sure Aviation is my favorite. Has a lot of interesting flavors going on. But if you're just trying to find a simple gin for a drink like this, you're gonna probably want to use London Dry because you'll get the most juniper out of this, but other flavors will not show up. So it's a really good gin to blend with other flavors. Okay, so I put ice cubes in here and I put the top on. So now we're putting this in here. It's beautiful. It's really pretty. Okay. And you can use a bigger glass if you want. This was the size we had. But if you want to use a bigger, glass, so you can put more soda water in, that's okay too. I'm just going to try it before I put the soda water in. It's good. It's very minty. Blackberry flavor. Okay, so we're adding some sparkling water. Generally, you would add soda water, sparkling water to this. Maybe some ice cubes and, a sprig of mint or a blackberry on a stick to garnish. But, this is fine. It's really good. Not too minty, not like Bernat, which is the Argentinian drink that just tastes like toothpaste. It does not taste like that. It just tastes really minty and fresh and blackberry-ish. Hopefully I didn't offend any Argentinians. I know that's your national drink. I'm not trying to offend you. It does taste like toothpaste. Like Mike Myers, it's kind of almost blood colored. It's a little mysterious because you can't really taste all the ingredients. You're not really sure what's in it, but it's also just a great drink for the fall. I think you should drink this while you watch Halloween. yeah, so cheers. And hopefully these have been useful. I've got my bloodiest guava, I've got my Mike Myers. You can catch my other videos. You'll see the bloodiest guava, the bloody guava, the bee stings at midnight, and the bee's knees. We'll be coming out with more. If you're interested in learning more about me, you can go to Missologist.com. We have a subscription box. We send you everything you need to make all of these drinks. Not the gin, sorry, not the gin. That's just too complicated. Plus, you know, I like to leave people the option to try different gins. Speaking of which, I will be doing another video where I use a non-alcoholic gin. For those of you who do not imbibe, it tastes like gin supposedly, but it has no alcohol in it. So it's great for mocktails because we don't want to leave anyone out, and you should still be able to enjoy all of these drinks even if you don't drink gin or drink anything. So watch out for that, hopefully coming next week. Thank you.